Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore CSS variables in Svelte stores, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore CSS variables in Svelte stores, begin by creating a new Svelte store. Import writable from the Svelte/store module. Define a writable store that will hold the CSS variable values. Next, initialize the store with default CSS variable values. In your Svelte component, import the store you've just created. Use the $prefix to access the store's value directly in your template. Define the CSS variables in your component's style block. Bind the store values to the CSS variables using Svelte's reactive statements. Whenever the store's value changes, the CSS variable will automatically update. To update the store, define a function that changes the store's value based on user input or events. Call this function when an event occurs in your component, like a button click. You can also create a separate function to reset the CSS variables to their default values. Focus on keeping your styles organized and easily maintainable. Use Svelte's reactive declarations to automatically adjust styles when the store updates. Test your component to make sure the CSS variables reflect changes accurately. Ensure you remove any unnecessary styles that could conflict with the CSS variables. By following these steps, you'll have a fully functional setup for restoring CSS variables in Svelte stores. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.